Okay, so I've done this intro 3 times! 3 times! Okay? 3!
Press.
The whole time! It took about 30 minutes to just get the second intro, and I messed up again. So I'm gonna go ahead and restart. Hello! I hope you guys are all having a great day. It's a break. I love the way people look at me when I'm recording a video. It's so funny.
You better look away.
Okay, so
Look away.
I just uploaded a video of me and Lucy and Lolly I take that back. Me, Lucy, and Brandon in a Nerf war. Now, she's not in it anymore. He's still in it. I'm still in it. She's in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera on the gun and we'll see what goes on from that. Okay, so I have no clue what just happened right there. But we are finally starting. So I already told you guys in the first video, don't lose your darts, you know. So I'm gonna yell go really, really loudly when we're ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and go find a spot. Okay? Let's go. Okay, comment down below who do you think is gonna win, okay? I really think I have. Actually, I'm not sure. I really thought. I don't know. We're gonna go. Let's go back up here, okay? No, I don't want to go there again. Okay. I know where to go. Somewhere no one would think I'm going. Hey, squirrel! Goodbye, squirrel. Okay. Hey, squirrel! Goodbye, squirrel. Anyone over there? Go! Okay. Do not get shot in the back, Logan. This will be just fine. My gun's jammed! It's jammed! The camera got messed up! Oh my god! Oh my god! Brandon's out! Brandon, you're out! No, I gotta shoot Lolly! Oh my god! Oh, I'm almost out of darts, okay? Oh. Quit zooming in, stupid camera! Okay, there we go. I'm going in. Ah! No!
What? Yes.
My leg! Oh my god, my leg hurts!
Oh my god, she hurt.
Look, I just got shot in the leg. But I just shot her in the cheek. So, she won the Nerf war. But remember the first one I won? Oh, sorry. Okay. So, I'm going to clean up everything. So if this doesn't work, I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Lolly, let's switch.